Prashant Kishore did social engineering before Bihar Assembly election. Prashant Kishore entered Bihar politics to Padiyatra, and after that he is now seen following the same path of politics which he used to criticize. Yes, Prashant Kishore is also following those paths to gain a foothold in Bihar politics, which he used to criticize a lot. One of his favorite lines was that when the bond of caste politics can be broken in Delhi, then why not in Bihar? When Narendra Modi can win with a record-breaking vote bank, then the people of Bihar will get a strong option. Then why won't politics break out the old pattern? Prashant Kishore used to talk about rising above caste politics in Bihar, and he has been checking along the entire society. But after the defeat in the last by-election, he has changed his strategy, because politics is now seen revolving around caste equation. Its situation is reflected in his recent appointment in his party. Former MP from Purnia, Uday Singh alias Pakku Singh, who comes from Rajput community, has been made the national president RCPC, who was a union minister, bureaucrat, and national president, ex-national president of JDU, comes from Kurmi caste. Manoj Bharti, who comes from Dalit community, was made the state working president of Jan Swaraj on 2 October last year. Manoj Bharti has been a former diplomat. He has been the ambassador of 4 countries. Apart from this, Prashant Kishore has also included Ashfaq Ahmed in the party, who represent the Muslim community. If you look at Prashant Kishore's executive, he has given place to 1 to 5 people in his executive. He has given place to 25 people from extremely backward society, 27 from backward community, 23 from general category, 20 from Dalit community, and 25 from minority community. He has also included 20 women in this. He has been checking about bringing women forward as well. There are 12 people from Yadav caste in his team. There are also 25 people from Muslim community in his party. Along with this, by including Pakku Singh in his party, he is also trying to bring the traditional vote bank with him.